What's up guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video that I wanted to do for a really long time, which is my everyday makeup routine. I feel like my makeup routine is pretty age appropriate and pretty natural, so it's really great for someone who's 13. Especially, I don't wear makeup all the time, but when I do, this is what I do. So I figured I'd share it with you guys, so let's get right into the video. So I don't use primer, which I probably should, but I just go right in with my concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2 Vanilla. I look kind of scary right now, but I just put it under my eyes and on my forehead, and then on any blemishes across my face. And then I blend that out. This is just a pink beauty blender. Actually, it used to be pink, and now it's kind of off pink. It's like a pinky brown, which is not cute. The next thing I do is just set my concealer with the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I just put that pretty much anywhere where I put concealer, but mostly under my eyes and on my forehead. Now I just take this massive brush from Tarte's Mermaid Brush Collection, and I just wipe off all the powder with this. Then I take this smaller brush and make sure that all the powder under my eyes is wiped off. Powder always gets everywhere. Okay, so after the powder and concealer, I'm looking pretty pale, but I use these two bronzers. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. I don't know if that's English. In light medium, and this is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. But I'm pretty pale in general, so the Hoola bronzer is quite dark on me. So I take this bronzer brush and then just apply it to my cheekbones. Yeah, this one can look quite dark on me. Especially for bronzing my forehead and like over here on the jawline, neck area, I use the lighter bronzer because I feel like it's too overpowering when I use the darker one. Oh. After that, I take this blush. It is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party, and I just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Is that what it's called, apples? That's weird. Where'd that come from? After blush, I use this highlighter, which is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. And I take this highlighter brush and just apply that to my cheekbones. I love this highlighter so much. I use it all the time, and I have used it for so long. So this next step, I'm pretty sure I saw in Summer McKean's video. She's another YouTuber. If you guys don't know her, you should definitely check her out. She's really cool. Basically what she does is just takes this Hoola Benefit bronzer and uses it as an eyeshadow almost. She just sweeps this across her eyelid to give it some color. And then I usually put too much on and spend like 20 minutes trying to get it to look good. So after doing that, I move on to eyebrows, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown, except I kind of broke this end, and I also don't really know how to fill in my eyebrows, so I just use the other side as a spoolie and comb out my eyebrows. Naturally, I have pretty wild and thick eyebrows, so I just brush them up and then I comb them to the side and down. The next thing I do is curl my eyelashes. I don't love using mascara because I feel like it makes my eyelashes look almost too dark because my hair is blonde, and it really makes them pop. So unless I'm going out, I was gonna say I don't go out, I like stay home, I'm 12. It makes my makeup look a lot less natural, so instead of wearing mascara, most days I just curl my eyelashes. Even without wearing mascara, I feel like it makes a pretty big difference because my eyelashes are really straight. After curling my eyelashes, the last thing I do is just use a lip balm. This is a lip balm just from L'Occitane, and it's really nice. I use this, try and use it every day. You can really use any lip balm. This one is just one that I have with me, but I just try and put on lip balm every day to keep them from getting chapped. Uh-oh, is this leaking? And the last step in my makeup routine is just to set all my makeup to keep it in place. I use this, which is the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So I just apply that all over my face. And that is all for my makeup routine. I'm definitely not at all a professional. This is just what works for me, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. But if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment what you want to see me do next on my channel. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!